What is up, you guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to lay your edges with this thing. First, I like to use this Got2b Ultra Glue Gel. It comes in like a black tube. It has extremely good hold, no flakes, no nothing like that. It's better than like Gorilla Snot hold. It's the best gel that I've found, and you guys can just find it at Walmart for about $4. Another thing that you'll need is just an old toothbrush that you don't brush your teeth with. I'm just using a Colgate toothbrush. It can be any toothbrush, preferably soft bristle. You don't want anything too hard because you are going to be rubbing this against your forehead a couple of times, especially if this is your first time trying to get those S waves right. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial, and I will be doing a voiceover. You guys, this is going to be a real quick tutorial. So basically, I just put a little bit of gel on a toothbrush, and I just like brush my hairs all the way down, all the hairs that I want to be in my edges, I guess. Like I brush them all down, and then like I'll just like swoop them. Like I'll just like make like this wave shape going across my head. So I'll start from the middle and just work my hairs in like this little wave shape. So yeah, it just takes practice, you guys. Keep on practicing at it, and yeah. This will be the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you did, drop a like. Also comment, and if you're new, subscribe. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.